Tell us about your experience of speaking about Apollo Pediatrics, gastroenterology, hepatology, liver transplantation and nutrition.
This is regarding the program you are asking, what I understand. You see, this is a very good attempt. In fact, first time in the country, Professor Anupam Sibal has brought in this type of course in the field of pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology and nutrition, because this is one area which is emerging. Still we have to go far away to achieve the main targets and to stimulate the so-called youngsters. This is very good attempt. In fact, by bringing this 5 days course in a capsule form in which whole of pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology, transplantation and nutrition problems will be dealt with, and I am sure with this the audience, the delegates who are attending from India and abroad and from various countries, they will be certainly benefited by the fact that they will be taking this message across, and they will be putting this in practice, in real practice, and benefiting their patients there also. Over and above, by this type of activity, what happens is that they get further stimulated. If they have a low profile in particular area, then they are stimulated to go ahead to study more, maybe to get some more fellowships and even higher studies and so on and so forth in that particular field. So this way I feel that this is for the first time is happening in our country, though I know in adult practice the digestive weeks are being conducted over weeks time. Whole of gastroenterology, hepatology is discussed, but this has happened for the first time in pediatric practice actually. So this is going to have a long impact, and moreover it will be stimulating other centers to come up to this standard, that they will be organizing these types of meetings, so that budding gastroenterologists or budding pediatricians who are interested in the field of pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology and nutrition will be forthcoming in a big way, so that we can achieve the targets put forth before us actually.
And how do you think, how will this postgraduate course help doctors to improve their clinical practice?
You see, definitely once so senior people, pediatric gastroenterologists who have 30-40 years experience, they are coming and deliberating. Certainly once they listen to them, they will be learning many things from their experience. This is one, and this will in turn help them to improve their practice in wherever they go. In fact, we have now speakers which are coming from India and abroad, from various developed countries, and most of the delegates, what I understand, they are from underdeveloped countries, underprivileged countries, and certainly experience of those people who have really done work in their field will be much beneficial to these people, and of course in their own area when they go back, they will be certainly helping the patients and also improving academics and research in the field of pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology and nutrition in their respective places.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.